The best part about living here isn't what you think it is. Yes, this home is updated from the impact windows and doors to the modern finishes. It's the type of place you can move in and immediately feel at home. But what you'll really love is how little effort life takes here. Beach days, dinner plans, and your favorite local spots are all just minutes away. Close to everything, easy to maintain, and perfectly positioned to enjoy the Jupiter lifestyle. Contact the Wolf team today for a private showing.